Yep. What's the RPM? What's the speed?
Right now, I got it at 500 right now.
500? 600? 700? 780? 850? All right, perfect. So the machine is really well maintained. It holds the accuracy. We have got to remove the weight covers down there, and waist look in a good shape. Spindle runs good with no noise. And as you can see, like there's a ATC here, the automatic tool changer, and they're not running it, but they say it's running. So there are about five floor plates on this side, which is 8 feet by 20 feet, and with a rotary table in there, 3 meters by 3 meters with 2 meters or 2.5 meters travel on U-axis. And this is the 2 plates here, 12 feet by 20 feet.
That's fine.
So there's a huge chip conveyor, and with a waist, as you can see, the foundation in here, and there's a hydraulic pack, the panel box on the side. So we have full diagrams in here, and all the drawings are available. So this job has just recently been machined, and which gives a really good surface finish, as you can see. And all this machining has been done on this machine just now. So he's just going to run a rotary table right from the control here. There you go. As per operator, it moves well.